everybody, this is Ann from Little Street Pottery. In this 90-minute video workshop, I'll take you step by step as we paint this beautiful dolphin vase. After completing this course, you will learn the benefits of drawing and painting an object in a foreshortened pose that can add drama and power to your compositions. We will address the challenges of composing on round objects and how to achieve perspective and depth to your work. I will teach you how to choose underglaze colors, then demonstrate how to balance and layer them when painting, creating full-color illustrations that come to life. I will show you how to mix colorful gray tones and how to balance warm and cool colors that will help you create striking and interactive scenes. I also incorporate ideas about adding additional elements that will enhance the theme of your piece. I will share my favorite brush choices and demonstrate techniques which will make the difference for a fresh, crisp appearance. Finally, I explain my glazing tips and personal glaze recipe for creating a professional finished look. I know you'll enjoy this workshop, and I'm confident that it'll help to build skills for making your pottery unique and appealing. Look forward to seeing you in the studio.